In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana portfolios to manage your projects. 5 minutes. Portfolios in Asana are your command center for oversight. They let you group related projects, see what's on track, and spot risk early without digging into every task. Start by logging into Asana, then look at the left sidebar and open the Portfolios section. If you don't see it, you might need the appropriate plan or access, but once it's available, this is where your high-level view lives. Create a new portfolio and give it a clear, meaningful name so everyone instantly understands what it covers. A simple naming convention, like department, quarter, or initiative, makes it easy to scale later. Inside the portfolio, select Add Work to bring in projects. You can pull in existing projects, spin up new ones for upcoming initiatives, or even nest other portfolios when you're managing a large program with multiple work streams. Nesting is especially useful for complex efforts where each stream has its own project plan. From here, you'll notice the color-coded project status indicators. These quickly show whether something is on track, at risk, off track, or on hold. Encourage project owners to keep this updated. It's your fastest signal for where to focus. Alongside status, you'll see progress tracking based on tasks or milestones completed. Whether your team reports by % complete or by milestone delivery, the portfolio view surfaces that progress in one place, and you may see this reflected in multiple areas within the portfolio. To add more context, open the Customize menu and include custom fields like budget, priority, stage, or effort. Standardize the fields and options across your workspace so your roll-ups make sense and reports stay consistent. When you need clarity, use filters and sorting. Organize by status, owner, or any custom field to spotlight risk or priority. If you land on a layout that works, save it as the default view so stakeholders always see the most relevant information first. For planning, switch to the timeline to view schedules and dependencies across projects and use the dashboard to visualize key metrics, helpful for executive updates and recurring check-ins. The workload feature shows each person's capacity across included projects, helping you rebalance assignments before burnout occurs. Finally, communicate and share insights. Post portfolio updates, comment to clarify decisions, and share the portfolio with stakeholders so everyone views the same source of truth. With these habits in place, Asana portfolios become the fastest way to monitor, align, and move your projects forward.